Okay. Alright, back to work. Yeah, I'll be working on swinging the sword more. Okay, so if you look at what I have before, there is something that I don't like. One of the things I don't like is the fact that the sword that is attached to the character, right, is blocking the entirety of the body. So that means that if I were to equip the character with some kind of an armor, right, then it will be blocked, right? It will not be visible. So I'm going to do something about this. Perhaps change the orientation of the sword. Right, let me do a quick test first. Right, I need to do a quick test. Okay, testing. Right, I'll do this first. Does this look alright? Not really, it doesn't look good. Yeah, it does not look good. I think the sword has to be here. Here, 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 here. Hang on, let me make this black color. Oops. To change the placement of the sword. Like that. Does this look good? Like that. That. I think I'll stick with this. Okay, so let me turn off the anchor point first. Alright, I need to reanimate this. Turn off the outline. So it should be here, like that. There you go, that's one. So that means the anchor point has to be shifted here and here. Okay, and the running, yeah, the running has to be changed as well, right? Up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Okay. Let me just do this first. Yo, hello. Don't really like this animation. Let me think. How should it be done? How should it be done? Yeah, it's different. It is different. So when I export, right, I'm not exporting this, but I need to place this sword there, right, so that I know where to place the anchor point. You see the red dot? The red dot is what tells the game where to draw the sword onto. So I have to do that lor. I have to do that. Hang on, I don't like this animation. Let me see, how can I change it? Is this better? Up, down, up, down. I think I'll stick with this. Okay, so anchor point has to be changed to this here, 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 oops, here, 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 right? And then once everything is done, right, what I do is I just export the anchor point like that. Export it, project, anchors, there you go. Oh wait, need to say what animation I'm exporting first. So I cannot export the whole thing, I need to do this. Export animation, export idle. Idle has 2 frames, so I put 2 here. Alright. Then I overwrite this file. And then export running. Running has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. So I put 6 here. Blah blah blah. Look for running animation, save, override, and then I have a new set of animation. Okay, now I need to import a new one that is vertical instead of horizontal. So go to work, project dungeon. Oops, wrong one. This one. Right, make sure the anchor point is here. Okay, here. No. How was it like before? Let me check. Oh damn, I cannot undo. 0, 6 before. It's okay, I'll put it here. I'll double check later. So put it here first. Put it here first. Save it and then import the new anchor. This one. Hang on. Oh, it's an entire image. Good. Import an entire image. I forgot some of my own implementation already. Idle, save. Same for this. Import, run. And if my code is working properly, it should just work. So let me check. Hopefully it just works. Yeah, it's working. Let me double check, eh? Double check. Like that, like that, like that. Yeah, it looks correct. Ta-da! Let's run around. Yeah, it's working. We just have to use like, I mean, this is pixel art, right? So we have to work with what we have. And in my case, it would be drawing the anchor point. No, I don't have enemies yet. I still have to do the I still have to do the I still need to reanimate the swinging animation. I want to redo that one. So I shouldn't have said that I'm working on combat system. Rather, I'm really still just working on the attacking animation, and also to set up the hitboxes. Um, so the sword swing, right? Sword swing is here. So I actually want to redo this, right? I want to include like I don't want the player to like just remain in the idle animation, right? I want the player to animate as well. It shouldn't just be a sword swinging. And also I don't like this sword swing. I want to change it to something more like this. Like if you played Mega Man Zero, right? I want I want to do three different sequences. Like one is swinging upwards, then back down, right, and then up again. So yeah, I'm trying to do something that looks a little like this. Uh, with what I have here, right? So angry face, yeah, angry face is a good idea actually. I'm thinking of angry face. At some point, right, I might actually want the face to be customizable as well. So there's a few things to do. So I think what I should do now, right, is let me just commit the project just in case just in case I break everything and then I need to revert. Zero has so many pixels to move for the player. Yeah. So that's why I say that I'm working with some limitations here. So I will try to work with what I have, but at the moment I don't like this sword swing. Yeah, I don't think it's very good. Hang on, changed equipment sword orientation. Excuse me. I'm not going to draw everything frame by frame. Right, only the player animation will be done frame by frame. Excuse me. Hang on, let me think. Whoa. Yeah, I know. I'm just talking about wanting to match the style of the swing, right? Not the art. I'm not trying to match the art. The art style is completely different. Yeah. So my sword originally is here, right? So I want to swing like that. Swing. So let me try redoing this. Let's see how can I do this. It's time to redo some stuff. Alright, so what if I delete this? What if I delete this? Let's redo this. Maybe I can invert the sword as well, right? Make the sword point back first, then swing across to the front. Ah, yeah. Should do that, right? Hang on, the thing is, the sword is so big, right? I don't want it to occupy this whole space. So what should I do? What if I guess I can make use of the scale. Let me think. Still not super familiar with this animator. Okay, like that. Scale should be 100, 100. Oh wait, I need something minus 100. There you go. Hang on, eh? I need to do something about changing the depth as well. Oh my goodness, so many things. Let me think. Let me think. Swing, swing, swing. It's a bit fast, huh? Okay, then it needs to pull back all the way. It's all the way here, right? So it appears in front of the face, but it's supposed to be behind the face. Let me. It's fine. I'll just do that first. What is this? Wait. What is this? Oh, that's cute. Okay. Looks like crap. Okay. This is a linear swing. Linear swing. Time to turn this into set convert to embedded animation curve. There we go. Fast to slow, slow to fast, fast to slow. How do I work with this? Change to smooth, please. There we go. Slow to fast. Let me see, what does this do? Right. Right. It's a bit crappy though. Let me think. Why does it look so bad? It's a bit too much. Or whatever. I'll do this first and then I'll test and see how it goes. Okay, for the scale, maybe I should do a curve as well. Why is there like two? Why is there like two curves? Oh, for the X and Y. Right, for the X and Y. It's getting a little hard to visualize, isn't it? Let me see. Scale for the X and Y. By right, they're supposed to be the same, but because I'm scaling Y in the negative direction, okay, that's not good. Track this all the way in. No. I think by this point it has to be full size already, so is it like that? I don't know, how do I... Okay, okay. Ooh, weird. Okay, that's not what I want. Right. Small. Big. Okay, I can work with this. Okay, let me check how it looks. It's probably going to look like crap, like the trail is probably not going to work properly. So that's what spin. Yeah, I know, right? It looks a bit too exaggerated lah. Here's the thing, I don't think I can afford to do all the pulling back of the sword. I don't think I can afford to do that. So let me see how should I do it. Cannot. If I draw the sword animation, right, then if I have if I have if I have like a dozen of swords, then I have to draw a dozen of sword animation. Then I cannot do that as a solo developer. Basically, I'm trying to look for a economic solution. You see, Also, the sword has to appear behind the player. Change the color of the sword. Oh yeah, I will. I still have some plans to change it. But I don't like the way this thing works. So I'm going to change it a bit. I'm going to change it a bit. Got it. So I will not. Maybe I wouldn't start here lah. I will. Let me think. Let me think. Just snap from start to end. Yeah, oh yeah, if I do start to end, my trail will break. My implementation doesn't handle that well. Right, it's not going to generate the curve. It needs the motion to do the curve. Yeah, but I hang on. Let me think. Yeah, let me remove the scale. Right, let me remove the scale and then I'll add it back in again. How do I scale? Minus 100. Okay, then instead of this position, I'm going to change it to a different position. Maybe something like this, right from the get-go. Right from the get-go. So it looks a little bit more like, it's a little bit more like what I had initially. Hang on, let me turn on the music. So it's a little bit more like what I had initially, but swinging in the opposite direction. Hang on, let me check. Is that it? Let me check. This is what I had before, right? So now I'm just going to swing upwards instead. Oh, the rotation is also... hang on, I need to redo this. I'll just delete this. I cannot delete. Delete? Okay. Let's redo the animation. This is the swinging forward. This is the pulling back. Swing forward, pull back. So here, add a key. Yeah, maybe I should have done the trail first. Alright. Maybe I should have done the trail first. Swing like that, and then okay. Something like that, right? But with a better animation curve. It's fast to slow basically, right? I need to do fast to slow. So fast to slow. Fast to slow. Fast to slow. Fast to slow. Slow, fast, slow, maybe. Like that. Fast to slow. Yeah. So this is a constant. Oh wait, let me think. Fast. Okay, the steeper it is, the faster the climb. So oh, I broke it. Hang on. I broke it. It's supposed to be here, right? Like that. Okay, hang on. Doesn't look good. Inverted U? What do you mean? Oh. Yeah, you're right. Let me try that. It's a bit hard to visualize, right, without the trail. It's so slow. It's so slow. Is it too slow? It's slow, right? This is a very slow move, right? Also, the trail is a bit broken. The trail is a bit broken. If you notice, right, there's this stray polygon there for some reason. Wing, swing, swing, swing. Oh, anyways, the sword is supposed to appear behind the head of the player at some point, so I have to fix that. Swing, swing, swing. Start, middle, and end. If you just put the start, middle, and end, oh, without the smooth animation, is it? Yeah, there's a bug here. Let me try. Without interpolation, how do I remove interpolation? Oh. Okay. this is for position. I think position I need the interpolation. Hang on. No interpolation, eh? Oh wait, that means I need to remove the curve. Hang on. Let me remove the curve. I can reanimate it later. So I start off like that. I should start off like slightly in front actually. Here is where I do this. Then this is the end. Right? So if I remove the interpolation, right? Okay, it's removed. It will look like this. This is what you're trying to say? Let me see. Maybe the snappiness will make it better, but we'll see. No, I think I should do the interpolation, but I can find other ways to tweak the speed, I think. Yeah, there's no curve because that's my trail generator depends on the position of the sword every frame. So let me put the animation back in, then I'll figure out some other ways to make it fast. Oh, I know. Let me set it to like 9 frame first. I'll do everything in 9 frame and then I'll change it back to 12. Hang on. Let me shorten everything first. And then I'll change it back to 12 later. There we go. Make another no, that's too much work. Hang on. Let me change this linear back to linear. Right, what I want is I'll bring back the animation curve. Right, I think I want to like hang here at this angle for a while more. So I want to hang at this angle for a bit. In fact, for the first frame, I don't want it to move. Let me change it back. Alright. Okay. Then let's do the animation properly. So this is the point where I reach this angle. Supposed to let me see. about this? It's a bit weird, huh? Oh, screw all this. Hang on, let me delete this. Delete this, delete this. How would this look? No, this is not good. Spending too long on this thing. Oh crap. Accidentally run it. Okay, this is 9 frames. It's a bit better. Then I'm going to extend it to 12 frames, like that. This is meant to be like a hanging time for the player to chain into the next move, right? So we need a few frames to chain to the next move. So I might actually need it to be longer rather than just 1, 2, 3 frames. You play fighting games, right? What fighting games do you play? Can you make it less frames? I can make it less frames. Let me see. I can make it less frames actually, so it goes even faster. Let's try to get it done in 7 frames. Crap, hang on. Scoutgirls. How many frames do they usually have for like for you to chain into a different move, or for you to cancel out of a move? Usually there's a certain frames that you can cancel out of a move, right? Usually, what is the good number of frames that they allow the player? Hang on, eh? Seven frames. This is 7 frames. Let me check. How does 7 frames look like? There we go. I don't want it too fast though. Don't want it too fast. Because it's not supposed to be the game where you just go around spamming. Hang on. Can I make the trail? I can, but it wouldn't look nice, I think. Because the trail is just a polygon. Hang on. What did I just do? Okay. This is the 9 frames version. Let me try. You can see the sword in the middle of the trail and stuff. Oh, that is true. I need to look at the frame by frame thing. Yeah. I need to look at it frame by frame. The sword is actually just an after. The sword that you see, I think it's just an after image, right? I'm not actually drawing multiple swords. I'm only drawing one. So this is how it looks like. Oh, there's a bug there. You see that? There's a bug there. So okay, see slash. That is how it looks. It's actually only one sword at any one time. But it's not clean, I think, the way I do it. Yeah. It's because I have this thing here. So the sword, right? So I need to figure out how to fix that also. You see the sword, right? It will overshoot, right, and then bounce back, and that's what's causing it. So I think I need to remove that bouncing back, I think. Let me remove it. Let's see what happens. If I do that, then it should be fine. Trail overshoots the sword at the end. Cause the point, right, the end of the sword, I can also see the trail. Yeah, you're right. That's also another issue there. There's a bug, you see that? I don't know what's causing that bug. I need to figure it out. Oh, there's another bug also. The sword is not at the right position at the first frame. Okay, I think I'm finding out a lot of bugs here, so I need to fix that. Which one? This one? Is it this one? I think I know what's causing the bug. During the first frame of the execution, the position of the sword is not at the right place. So I need to fix that. I need to fix this. This is a bug. So by right, the sword is supposed to appear right here, right? Yeah, but for some reason, it seems to appear here. So I need to fix this. Right, and then yeah, and then afterwards, I need to make it such that the sword the handle is behind the head rather than in front of the head. Making things more difficult for myself. And after I do that, right, then I will make the trail look better, I think. You should just draw the swing. I don't want. I mean, I'm not a trained artist, and it's going to take me too long, I think. Oh, there's also one more thing I want to do to the effect. I want to make it such that it's more pixelated. Yeah, at the moment it's very too smooth, so I'm going to change that. It's because the effect is being drawn on the surface as of a different resolution. Okay, let me fix that bug first. Let me fix that bug first. And then I'm leaving like these 3 empty frames, right? So that we can chain to a different combo. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 move. 3 moves. Okay, I need to fix. I think it's going to be a workaround. It's going to be an ugly fix. Attack, attack, attack. This one, right? Attack. What the hell? It's not animating anymore. Yeah, I don't want to draw the swing. If I draw it, then I will have to draw it for every single sword. And then the game is never going to finish. Okay. Can just use the same swing. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. But my argument for that against that, right, is that I might want to tweak the attack animation still. So I don't want to have to redraw the thing like each time I tweak the attack animation. Yeah, basically I'm going about it in a more I guess from a more economical perspective. So I mean I want things to be a bit more how do I put it? I want to make it such that if I tweak any parts of the combat, right, I don't have to worry about having to fix a ton of other stuff. Yeah. Swing, 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 swing. What was I? Oh yeah, I need to fix that thing. What's causing that, huh? What is causing that? Okay, I'm going to do something pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Attack first frame. So the first frame is going to be problematic, right? So I'll just ignore the first frame. Ignore the first frame. Something like this. When I enter this, attack first frame equals to true. If first frame is true, this is such an ugly hack. Set it to false, and I exit out of this function. Okay, so I need to comment why I'm doing this. First frame of calling. First frame of creating attack sequence. And during the first frame of creating the attack sequence, weapon instance is not updated. Okay, let's try this. So weird. Oh, alamak. Let me turn it off. Okay, thanks for telling me. There you go. Wait, what was that at the top just now? What? Do you see a sword there? What the hell? Do you see a sword there? Do you see a sword here just now? Yeah. Okay, I need to fix that. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's the first frame. It's the first frame problem. So what I'm going to do, right, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to just throw the weapon out. Wait, hang on. Okay. Visible equals to false. Visible equals to true. This wouldn't happen in an RPG. RPG has too much UI stuff to do. I'm not a fan of working with UI. UI takes a lot of time to get right. Hey, what the hell? It's still up there. Hey, no, it's gone. No, it's still there. What the hell? Oh, of course. My bad. There we go. No, I'm not top. Please. Okay, it's gone. So it's a bit slow here, but I think it's because of the low frame rate. So it's supposed to be faster actually. It's supposed to be this speed. The frame rate is so low it can't even display that properly. Okay, yeah, it's a bit faster now. Frame rate fluctuating. So, I need to animate the character, right? So it will feel more like I'm swinging a sword. I need to do that. Let me capture. Let me capture the swinging. Swing, swing, swing. Swing, swing, swing. Stop. Okay. Okay, I have that as reference. My goodness, the frame rate is so low. I'm swinging my sword in slow motion. It's because of this monitor, isn't it? I'm streaming my entire desktop. And I don't really have a very powerful graphic card. Okay, so I have this. What I need to do now is to make this appear behind. So this part I actually don't know how to do, so let me look up the manual. I need to look up a manual. Sequence. Broadcast message could be something I need. So add a broadcast message to the sequence timeline in the dope sheet. Opening a dialog where you can add message to the broadcast. This message will be oh no, I don't want asynchronous event system. It's a bit problematic that I can only control position, rotation, color multiply. That's interesting. Image index. Oh, I can do image index. I can do origin. I can do image speed, but not that. That is annoying. That is super annoying. I can add a function call somewhere, right? Where is it? Add moment. Okay, let's see. Swing. I think at this point on, it should appear behind the player already. Okay, what is this? It's a function name. I need to call a function name. Okay, let me look it up again. Sequence moments. Yes. A sequence moment is a position on the timeline where the sequence can call a function. This is a scripted function that must, oh my god, must have no parameter. Isn't this so annoying when adding a no parameter? Okay, fine. Let me look up broadcast. What is broadcast? It's broadcasted to who? On sheet. On release. Okay, I'll try this. Broadcast. Broadcast. Set to back. weapon. Wait, where did I set my depth? I didn't set my depth. Really? Weapon template depth. No. This one, yes. It's here, it's set here. I should not be setting it here. Fine. Base character. Base character. Let's drink some water first. Okay. Draw to back is force. Oh, okay, how do I use the asynchronous event? Uh-oh, I don't know. Here, okay. There we go, copy. Coming updates will add this functionality to sprites and instances too. Aha. Broadcast message event. Other broadcast message event where? There we go. Last one. Yes. Let me change it to this. What did I call my event? Set to back. Hey, No. Is it called sequence event only? Really? It's called sequence event. Sure, fine. Okay. I call my set to back. Set to back. Set to back. I should call it set to back instead. Weapon set to back. Here's fine. Weapon set to back. Okay, where was I? Yes, the event. Weapon set to back is true. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's behind me now. Look at that. Maybe too soon. Hang on. Okay, I'll shift it to this instead. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's now drawing to the back now. So that means that I can, my next move will be from the back, slash back towards the front. Yeah, I have not done that yet. But the thing is I need to implement the second and the third chop as a different sequence. Yeah. But I think at this point, right, I will, let me see if I can work on the trail. Trail, how should I fix the trail? You think the trail will look better if at the end, right, it's a semi-transparent? Let me try something. Trail, poly trail. Where did I call this? I say that I will store like four positions, right? What if I set it to 6, and then the trail would now then appear to look a lot longer. No, too long it doesn't look good, right? Slow. Oh, but then I can do fading out myself, right? Bit laggy. Yeah, I cannot judge how fast this is because of the frame rate. So I might have to review this again later. Slash 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But I also don't want it to be too fast because I want each move to like, I want the player to like hold at the end of each move, and then you can press a button to chain into the next move. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, I guess. Okay, let's see what I can do about the trail. Trail. The trail currently looks like that, which is a bit off, right? It would be nicer if maybe it's a bit faded out here. Yeah. Or I can try two things. Either this, right? Or I make it such that it appears like that. Right, so it's slightly sharper. Yeah, let me see if I can make it appear like that. Let me see if I can do that. I'm not sure if I'm able to do it, but I can try. So what happens with the current implementation? The current implementation, right? Current implementation is such that as I move like this, right? I'm basically recording the position like that. Like that. And then finally here and here. So what I need to do, right, is I think over time the base position will actually move towards the top position. If I do that, then I may just get that effect. Towards each other, you mean like that? I can, but what would this look like? Would this look good? It would end up looking like this, right? Or maybe it will work. No, but what's your rationale behind this? Like I thought like most people would assume the trail would end up looking like this rather than like this. Is there like a rationale behind it? I guess I can still try. I can try both ways, right? Then see how it looks. I try this way first, right? And then afterwards I see if I can do this also. Yeah, it's hard to say lah. Yeah, but I can try. I see if the move up looks okay first. Like if it doesn't look okay, then I try this. And if both doesn't look okay, then I'm screwed. Then I hand draw. Oh, that's the whole point, right? I'm trying to avoid having to hand draw. That's the thing about if you're solo, then you have to look for ways to save time. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Why do I have this here? Oh, this was when I was testing the sword. Okay. Okay, let me do the poly trail. This is my poly trail. My god, I can't believe I have not even have the can't even slash at something yet or kill something. Let me see. What do I have? Um, I have 3D lighting. I have basic room creation. Combat system is nowhere near done yet. And then after I'm done with combat, I need to do room generation. Room generation, there's so many things I have to consider. I wonder what I can research for room generation. I think I can look up how Isaac, Binding of Isaac did it. Super Saiyan 1 versus all like Jeff. Right. I cannot do music though. I cannot do music. Hopefully one day I'll have time to like try and learn that. But at this moment I don't have time to learn music. Bottom position is this one. So every frame I will move the bottom position towards the top position. And then once I'm at the top position, I will remove it from the queue. Or what if I just keep storing position? Let me think. I think I want to refactor this. I want to remove queue size. Let me remove queue size, see what happens. Okay, so no queue size. But instead of queue size, I want to have crescent speed, I guess. Oh, it's a terrible name. Crescent. Is that how I spell crescent? Crescent. I don't know how to spell crescent. Whatever, crescent speed. Crescent with a C or no C? Crescent. Crescent speed, I'll put it at 10 for now. Determines how fast the trail becomes pointed. You know, like in terms of design, I'm really trying to scope this down a lot, right? Because the game will only have like one arena at any one time. Right, it's not like this interconnected rooms. I mean, the rooms are connected, but I'm not showing all of them on the screen. So it's already a smaller scope, but even for a small scope game, there is still a lot to do. But, if I can get this combat system to work, then I feel like I want to make a good old beat 'em up for my next thing, right? Because I like beat 'em up. I play a lot of beat 'em up. Well, I play some amount of beat 'em up as a kid, right? Beat 'em up was a lot of fun, right? Like TMNT is fun. I got the Capcom arcade collection also. That was decent, I suppose. Okay. So what I do, right, is I go through all of the lists. FE game. I mean, it's on the backlog lah. It's on the backlog. But games that require strategy definitely will take a lot of time to make. I mean, Space Jack takes forever to make, man. Right, you know, like back then when we make Space Jack, right, we actually keep track of a spreadsheet for the data of all the enemies and the turrets. Yeah, had to do that, otherwise we'll lose track of like what's what. But stuff like that will tend to take longer to design and balance. Don't know how this will look, man. Possibly look like crap. Oops. Okay, there we go. And then... Not the most optimized code, but it's fine. If it is less than 1, I don't know, less than 1.5, I will remove it from the list. Oh wait, this is a bit dangerous. Hang on, let me think. I can mark it for deletion. Okay. Indices for deletion. I can mark it for deletion. Let me think, This is for deletion. I don't know. I think I'm getting tired already writing rubbish. A bottom pause, top pause, bottom pause, top pause, bottom position, top position, bottom position, top position. Oh, right, I don't need to do this. Just do it for the top one. And then I'm doing it wrong, hang on. There's a lot of things I'm doing wrong. Yeah, I'm doing things wrongly, hang on. Definitely doing it wrongly. Supposed to be like this. Supposed to be like this. Yes. That makes more sense. Oops. There we go. Like that. So I'm only removing 1 point per frame. Whoa, weird. Hang on, I need to change this. Crescent. Yeah, the end is not very sharp, that's the problem. I think it's because of my speed. I need to up the speed a bit. So the default speed is 10, right? I need to change it to something faster. Find all. 14, huh? Sure. But whatever we are seeing on stream, right, is not going to be super accurate because my frame rate is currently a bit low. Yeah, so I will test again later. But let's put 14. Why is it? Oh, I know why. I know why. It's always going to be slow at the end because of the twinning I'm using. Let me think, what other method can I use? Hand draw. Never. I know what to do, I just need a bit of time to think.
Get the magnitude, the square magnitude. If the square magnitude is if the length, if the speed itself is if this vector, right, representing the speed is 1 pixel per frame should be okay. So if it's lesser than 1 times 4, or rather 1, then I will normalize it. Crap, how do I normalize this? Normalize. I have a normalized 2D. I suppose I can turn this into a 2D array. Magnitude. Vector 2, back 2, vector 2. Okay, never mind. Okay. Lesser than 1. Yes. Then I normalize it. Like that. Okay, try it. Oh my bloody god. How come I got speed X? Oops. There we go. Oh no. Far. There we go. Come on. It's still not very sharp, eh? Maybe I should make it linear instead. Yeah, I think I should make it linear. What did I do? Oh, of course, I cannot times 2. I cannot times 2 to an array. Of course. Let me change this. Let me change this. What I should do now should be this. I'll turn it linear instead. So speed is equals to the normalized version times m crescent speed. Oh no, wait, I cannot times like this. And it should not be speed, it should be direction. So what's going to happen is direction multiplied by m crescent speed. What the hell? What happened to my keyboard? Okay. That's weird. M crescent
times global.delta time, and that's it. Oh my god, it's too slow. Too slow. Ten is too slow. 14 is too slow. I put 100. I might try your method later. Don't know, doesn't really look that good to me. So not very sharp. 666, okay, sure. Oh my god. There you go. That's your 666 speed. Yeah, that's because of a bug. I forgot to do something here. Yeah, I forgot to do something here. This check is not good. This check here is not good. I need to change the check. I need to make sure that it's exceeded the let me think. Tricky, brain not working. So right. To do all these dot products. Do I have to do that? If I want to check if the bottom has exceeded the top, I can do this is the top, this is the bottom, then this is the updated bottom position. So the dot product of these two vectors, if it is a negative, it means I've exceeded. Oh, do I have to do it like that? I don't know, it doesn't really look that good. Let me just try your method first before I do this weird check. Where's the part where I put 66? Alright, here. Let's just set it back to 12 or something. Back to 12. Remove invalid. Okay, I'll do this part later. Right, I'll just keep everything in the queue for now. Then I move both points towards each other. So what's going to happen is minus equal, right? So if I do this, then this will be your suggestion, right? Where both points meet each other. So it wouldn't look like a crescent, but it's not like my crescent looks good. So let me try. Yeah, I should, right? It's because I removed one of the code, that's why. I remove a code. So by right now, it's supposed to be the speed of the... It's supposed to be the speed that will... The speed in which the points move, right? That will determine how fast the trail is. Hang on. I broke it. Yeah, I know, right? At the end of the animation, the starting point is still there. So I'm trying to use the speed to control it. Let me see if it works still. You know what? I'm going to put the Q back in. Put the Q as 6. And then I'll do this here. See what happens. Let's switch back to the crescent method. Hang on. Okay, let me make it faster. So 25 is not enough, right? I might want to shade it also, use a shader and I'll shade it differently. Make it fade out at the end or something. Then I spawn some particles or something, right? Yeah, okay, I think this is better. There's some glitch at the end because I didn't check for when it exceeds. Let me fix that weird glitchiness at the end. Let me think. No, not yet. Final position. Final position. Do a dot product. If, what was it again? If the dot product of top minus bottom and no, not top minus bottom. If the dot product of bottom minus top is bottom minus top and final minus top is less than 0, then it has exceeded. Bottom minus top, final minus top. If the dot product of bottom minus top, bottom is this, bottom minus top, so I have to do the x and y. So this is the x, this is the y, bottom minus top, and final minus top. Right, is lesser than 0, then this will be equals to top otherwise This will be equals to final position. Whew, goodness. Okay. Okay, now let me remove the Q, see what happens. Not as good. But let me think. But I can now put like big numbers, right? Oh, there's a queue size also, hang on. So I'm not test. Oh no, there's no queue size. Let me put a queue size in there. Queue size. Back here, queue size. I'll set it to 4 or 6. That doesn't matter at the moment, actually, I'm not using it. 200 doesn't look that good. 160. It's better, right? It's better, huh? Looks better now. I want to change the resolution also. Because it's a bit too smooth lah, so I want to make it such that it's not that smooth. Not used currently. Okay, queue size is not currently used. Yeah, I commented it, so it's not used at the moment. Okay. Is 0. Crap. Okay, I'll stick with this for now. I think I can add colors to it or something. But at the moment I will stick with this. Slash, 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 slash. Slash. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to animate the player, I forgot about it. Damn. Okay, slash, slash, slash. I think I'm kinda satisfied with this. I might tweak it a little bit later. What's that? Oh, sword slashing. Yeah, conceptually it's the same I guess. Yeah, but the shape, the rounded shape that I have, right, it stays until the end, right? I think I can tweak that one. Petition to draw. No, I'm not going to draw. If I draw it, I wouldn't be able to finish the game. I still need to animate the sprite sheet. So let me animate the sprite sheet first, right? So this is the character. This is the character. Take out all the swords. Put in the background so I can see the player. Okay, good. Turn off the anchor. Good. Okay, I need the attack animation. So the attack animation looks something like this. Yeah, this is gone now. This very blocky trail is gone now. It's a bit sharper now. Okay. Excuse me. Let me see how I can animate this. So like that, right? So first frame is like that. So I think. Let me see. I don't know. Let me see. Let me think. Yeah, I cannot animate based on this because it's so different. Swing. Mine is definitely a lot slower. I'll see. I'll tweak it as time goes. Okay, I need to animate the character as well. Swing. Right, it doesn't look good because the character is just standing still and still in his idle animation. Swing, swing, swing. I need to animate it. How should the character look? How should the character look? You know what? Let's just do the obvious thing and just shift the head forward, backwards, whichever way. Hmm. Okay, okay. Angry face, right? There you go, angry face. How about this? Nah. Alright, the mouth. The mouth. I need to think about the different poses, you see. So this is when the sword is here, right? And then there's the sword is here, and the sword is pulled back all the way. So I suppose when the sword is pulled back all the way, the head will be all the way in the front. I imagine. Yeah, well, there's feet, right? There's legs. Legs are there. There's the legs. If there's a leg and there's a body, we can pose it. So let me pose it. Pose. Pose. Okay. Now let's do the body. Right. So let me delete this stray pixel. I don't know, man. Yeah, weird. Weird, weird, weird. Whatever, let's try this. Let me just put an outline for the dummy so it's easier to see how it looks like in the editor. Because by right the outline is generated in the game, in-game. I don't export my spreadsheet with an outline, but I will just do it for the attack animation so that I can see how it looks like in the sequence. Oops. Three frames. Save. Okay, then I export the actual thing itself, which is without the outline and the head and the body separately. Let me see if I remember how I went about doing it. Oh, I exported the entire spreadsheet. Okay, that's good. Wait a second, why is it that I have 2 frames for my attack dummy? Wait. Hang on, eh. Let me check something. Why is my attack dummy the wrong frame? That's wrong. That is wrong. Let me re-export. Attack. Attack should be this one. Right? Yes. Why is it off? Export animation attack browse player dummy attack 01. Yes, save, overwrite. Okay, got it. Okay, now to export it properly, turn off this, turn off the sword, turn off the body, just like this. Export the whole thing to player head. Save, overwrite, and then do it for the body as well. Where's my body? Where's the body? Huh? Oh, I just can't see it without the background, that's all. Body. Oh, okay. Player dummy. Okay, what is the frame? 24 by 24. Three. Convert. Yes. Okay. Let me do this first. So I am going to set the animation speed to 0. Image speed set to 0%. So now it will not move. And then I manually set the frame. So first frame is like that. So somewhere around here, I will change the image index right here to 1. There you go, so like that. 0. Hey, this is supposed to be 0 here. 0. So like 0, 1, 0, 1. Two. Like that, I guess, like that. Whee. Standing to attack. Oh, I still need to write the code for it. I need to import the other states also. My goodness. Duplicate. Attack. Score is 0, 1. Attack 0, 1. Edit. import strip image, go to head. So there we go. There we go, that's what I need. Then I'll do the same for the body. Duplicate, call it attack 01. Eh? No. Why did I duplicate head? Where's the body? Body idle, duplicate, attack 01. There we go. Edit, import strip image, back to here, same, yes, okay, I got it. Oh goodness. Okay, then so much work for such a simple thing. Then player animation state now needs to have attack 01. I need this as well. Hit attack 01. Attack 01. Attack 01. Cool. So I have this. That means I can set the animation here from idle to attack 01. Then 01 now, but in the future I have to figure out how to make it such that it can chain combo. Now, hang on. Attack 01. I'll do it last. I also need to set the image speed to 0. So it doesn't automatically play. Or I don't set it here. I go to attack, set it to 0 frames per second. And same for hit, set it to 0 frames per second. Perfect. Okay, then I don't need to manually set it, I think. Okay, then what happens next is I will manually update the image index, which is the frame of animation I'm currently in, to the same as that of the attack template. So attack template image index should be the same. Okay, I'll just do it like this for now. What nonsense is this? It broke. Oh, because it has no anchor point. Crap. Animation too slow. Slow, slow, slow. Slow. This one should be here. This one should be here. There you go. I have animation now. Starting to have something. So all I need is just some dust particle blowing out when I hit an attack. I might tweak the attack to be a little bit faster also. But I will tweak it after stream because the frame rate is low. I can't really gauge how fast I need it to be. Yeah, I think I'm onto something. So the next step would be to chain combo, right? Yeah, but I think my medication is kicking in. I'm starting to feel really drowsy. So let me recap and then I will maybe go and sleep. Let's see. Let me see, nose medication. I have a very sensitive nose. I'm suffering from some like allergic reaction for my nose. So what's that thing called? It's called post nasal drip. So basically, there's a lot of blockage in my nose, right? And there's a lot of backflow lah. So the mucus just keeps flowing backwards or something, and which can result in occasional breathing difficulties. Yeah. So that's why I have to take medication for it. I wonder if this is because of my age, right? Like maybe it's the time has come where my age is catching up to me. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Look at that silly face. Let me see if I can make another facial expression. I want to reserve the screaming face for something else. Let me see if I can do something else. Oops, what just happened? Wow, why is it so laggy? What if I do this? I can do this, right? Yeah, I think I can do this. I'll do this. Let me try this. Let me try this. Ooh. Oh, you mean the this one? Hang on. How should I do it? No. No. I get it. Move the two side pixel like that. Yeah, but it's a bit I guess, but because of how pixelated it is, not everyone can read the expression, I guess. I can also do something. Okay, you know what? Let me try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this, right? Keep it for the future. Like for the maybe this is for the third move, right? 1, 2, 3, right? First move I'll do this. Then I will export the head again. Export. Control E. Not body, is head. Right? Save it, overwrite. So now I have a new head, sprite sheet. I'll go back, right? I go to the head. What is it? Attack, right? Head attack. And then I'll re-import. I'll re-import that particular strip, just the attack animation, which is here, right? Oh, this is my spare face. Yes. Right? I'll leave the screaming face for a more powerful move. I still can do other facial expression for when I get hit, when I get hurt, right? I still haven't do that. I still need to do the hurt box and whatnot. OMG BBQ. It's a lot of things. Oh. Okay, let's see this one, right? Yeah, so I might tweak the swing to be a bit faster, but I'll tweak it after stream. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So we got animation in, we got trail in, we got swinging in. Next up is second and third combo attack. Then afterwards I will put hitbox in there and do some test dummy, hit some test dummy. Okay, that's it. Oh, okay. Think I need to go rest. Hey, thanks for hanging around, man. I appreciate your suggestion. I think it's very helpful actually. It's very helpful to have someone to bounce idea off of. It's very important. So likewise, if you need feedback, right, please approach me as well, or talk to your friend. That would be great. Oh no, please don't crash on me. Uh-oh. Okay, wait, I think it's crashing. Yes. Did I save? Stupid. So stupid. I do a stream and everything just goes slow, right? Okay. Turn off everything. Come on, Gamemaker, don't fail me. No, I don't want to change engine. Oh my god. Oh my bloody god. Okay, you know what? Let me force shutdown and then I'll come back and test and see if I lost anything. Let me see. Oh, this thing is still working. Ha. But the editor is... Oh, the editor is back on. Hilarious. Let me test, see if everything is okay or not. One, two, build a gate here, get a side. There's some collision problem I have to fix. But aside from that, everything seems fine. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have it. Alright, thanks man. It's about time I go. Yeah, okay. I'll catch you around. See ya.